Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on your Binance account. So guys, it's very easy to do. It just involves few steps. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Binance app to open it. So guys, let me tap on the Binance app right away. So guys, now you can see my Binance app is opening. So guys, once your Binance app opens up, what you have to do now is to log in with your login credentials, like your password and your email. So guys, here's the home page of my Binance app. So guys, this is where you're going to get to once you open the app for the first time. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address, so tap on where you can see wallets. You can see there at the bottom right corner. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written deposit crypto. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to look for USDT. You can see here we have list of cryptocurrencies right here. You can see there are so many of them. You can see it right there. What you have to do is to find USDT. You can find it there, or you can use the search bar to actually search it out. You can see it there at the top. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me type in USDT. So guys, now you can see USDT right there. So what I have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to choose your network. Make sure you're not choosing the wrong network. If you choose the wrong network, that means you might be losing your token or your airdrop. So guys, this video is about how to copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address. And USDT ERC20 is a type of cryptocurrency token that represents the US dollar on the Ethereum blockchain. So the network you have to go for is the Ethereum network. ERC stands for Ethereum request for comment. So guys, you have to choose Ethereum as a network. You can see there, that's the third option. You can see there, you can see it written Ethereum in bracket ERC20. So guys, that's what you have to select. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, right here is your USDT ERC20 wallet address. You can see there is written deposit address. So guys, now for you to actually copy this your address, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see wallet address copied. So guys, now this is how you can actually copy your USDT ERC wallet address on Binance. So you can go ahead now to share it to anyone. So guys, now you can also save and share this address using the button down below. And also you can use this QR code. Anyone who scans this QR code can actually get your wallet address. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos on Binance tutorials, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.